Good morning or good afternoon, Tigers. I hope you guys had a good 3-day weekend. So we're starting off with our Quizzette 25. As always, one of the most important things, actually the most important thing on your Quizzette, is to write your last name, comma, first name. So right now, if I could have all of you, please write your last name, comma, first name. I say this like 10 times every week, and every week I still have Quizzettes that don't have any name on it. Alright, so last name, comma, first name. Today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Or for some of you, Happy Single Awareness Day. I'm just kidding. And circle your class color. So I'm going to say today that I'm blue. Okay, let's look at Tuesday, number 1. It says a triangle has side lengths of 20 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. What kind of triangle is it? So some of you can guess this without drawing it, without looking at your math notes. I think it's page 48 or 49. So some of you can do that. But I want you to do this for every single answer every single day. I want you to draw the actual triangle that it tells you. So for this one, I'm going to draw a side length of 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. And then another side length of 20 centimeters. I want to make sure they're equal because 20 centimeters is equal to 20 centimeters. And the last side is 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeters. By looking at this triangle and thinking of the different types of triangles that we reviewed last week, or looking at your math notes, if you read your math notes, it says that an isosceles triangle has equivalent or congruent sides and 2 congruent angles. So this right here would be an isosceles triangle. Now I hope I didn't spell this wrong, and if I did, you're going to have to be the one to tell me. Well, don't tell me because then I'm going to have 180 of you telling me I spelled it wrong. Just correct it if I spelled it wrong. All right, moving on to number 2. What is the measure of the missing angle? If you guys remember, every triangle has to equal 180 degrees. Remember this little circle right here? It means, hold on, let me get my pointer. There we go. This little circle above the number means degrees. Okay, so don't get confused by that. Degree, make it small so you don't think there's an extra 0. I hope you don't think this is, 1,800. It's 180 degrees. So every triangle has to equal 180 degrees. So right now we have a 90-degree angle and a 43-degree angle. So you can do 90 plus 43 plus this missing side length we'll call x, and they all have to equal 180. You can combine these like terms. 90 plus 43 is, alright, I have to line them up because I can't do this in my head, which I should be able to do because I'm a math teacher, but I don't want to make any mistakes. So I have 133 degrees, don't forget your degree sign, plus x equals 180. Now I want to isolate my variable. So I need to get rid of that positive 133. So what do I do to get rid of positive 133? Subtract by 133 on each side. I'm running out of room here. 180 minus 133 is 47. So x is equal to 47 degrees. Let's not forget our degrees. So x right here is equal to 47 degrees. There you go. I don't know if I explained that good enough. Another way you can do it is you can say 90 plus 43, which is 133, and you can subtract 180 from 133, and that'll give you your length, which will be 47. Here, let me do the math. There you go, 47. Sorry, I know this is sloppy, but hopefully you guys get the point. If you don't get the point, we're writing notes on triangles today. Which angle is congruent to BFC. So if we look at our angles, here's B, here's F, and here's C. So the triangle, or the angle that we're trying to find that's equal to this angle, would be which one? So we're trying to find one that's equal to that. If you guys look at this angle, it's obtuse. So the angle that it's congruent to also has to be obtuse. Congruent means equal. So let's look. I think D, F, A look like they're congruent. Let's see this. Yep, that looks pretty even to me. So the angle that's congruent to BFC is angle A, F, D, or you can write angle D, F, A. You have to do it in order. So you can either do it from top to bottom or from the bottom to the top. But you have to do it in order. So if you look, it's AFD, or angle DFA, DFA. And there you have it, Tigers. This is how short your Quizzette is this week.